So I just showed you in pictures first the area that I worked on where I took the pavers apart. It was underneath of the bond beam, which was over in this section. I took that whole section apart and then found the pipes underneath, found the break from a gardener, and then cut the old sections out of the pipe and then re-glued it, left it open for a couple hours to make sure everything glued tight. I could test it and then just put it back together again. So pavers, simple to work with, so you can take it apart, find a problem, and then put it back together again. So anyway, Dave Pratt, loved working on this one, but I should have filmed a little bit before, but the pictures are worth 1,000 words. 714-588-8634. I'm out.